Hey, what's up everybody? In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to create a landing page on Stan.store. Make sure to follow all the steps I'm going to show you guys. In case you guys don't have an Stan.store, I'll provide a link in description. You guys can go and sign up from there. Once you guys have signed up, go to my store and hit the three dots on the right side of your product. Here click on make landing page. Once you have clicked on it, now you can further edit your landing page or copy its URL and paste it anywhere on social platforms you want. You can create as much landing pages as you want. Landing pages act differently than your actual store. You can make them appear on your home page or not. It's completely on you guys. This is useful when you have lots of products and you don't want them all to appear on your home page. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope the video was useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.